want to tell you guys, I am always in the space of completion. I have no problem at all. You can always be in the space of completion. You can take this for granted. You don't have to feel at all you will be incomplete with me or I am incomplete with you at any time. I can never be incomplete. You understand? I can never be incomplete. And you also don't have to feel you have some incompletion with me. Only when you abuse, that becomes a blockage and the umbilical cord gets disconnected. That is the only time the incompletion happens. If that is not happened in your life, don't even bother. You are always in completion with me, in the space of completion. I am always in the space of completion with you. Be assured. Don't worry at all. You understand? Never have any doubt, self-doubt, SDHD about completion, being complete with me. Don't think that, oh, I am not complete with Swamiji. No. And one more thing, even if you abuse, I have no incompletion with you. You will distance you, that's all. Nothing can be done. Be very clear, I have no incompletion. Don't worry. I may not accept what you do. Sometime, if I feel that free, I will tell you, don't do that. If I don't feel that free with you, I may not tell, but I have no incompletion. That's all. I have no incompletion. And other than abusal, nothing else even puts you in incompletion. If you have not abused, don't worry. Any other act does not amount to incompletion. It does not separate you from the master. When you abuse, you say no to him. So as a ethics of enlightened being, he moves away. He says okay. That's all.
Thank you, Swamiji. Swamiji, just a few more things. I want to love everything and everyone as you, me, and see the entire cosmos as my teamily. I want to move through life with ease without struggling. I want to love myself for who I am without fear, doubt, judgments. I want to work with full enthusiasm, energy, and joy in the Master's mission and Sangha. I want to go beyond my eating and sleeping habits. So what I need to do for this is, to overcome SDHD, root patterns, achieve complete completion with Swamiji's grace. And, thank you, Swamiji. And attending IA, and I want to go back and share with others what I've learned and empower others to attend IA as well. And I commit to participate fully and just not entertain any incompletions. Thank you, Swamiji. And why did I come here is the right process with the right person, the right place. Yeah, and yeah, Swamiji. So thank you, Swamiji.
Blessings.
Pranam Swamiji. My purpose of life. I always want to serve people in need, but I never knew who really needs what. And how do I reach them to my capability? Swamiji, it is you, your discourses, your satsangs gave me an ultimate clarity to my purpose with beautiful space within me out of my own experiences and clicks I had after having got connected to you, wherein I could clearly see what anyone and everyone need in their lives, including my own self. Enriching myself with authenticity, integrity and responsibility, I am now confident of fulfilling the ultimate need of me, my near and dear ones, my kith and kin and all those who I come across in my life, by not only enriching them but also connecting them to you, Swamiji. That is now my ultimate goal, and I seek your support for that. Swamiji, I live in a colony where there are about 600 families. So I saw many mishappenings taking place. I was clearly able to see how the colony became still with negativity between each other. It was your initiation what has inspired me and made me take an action, which is going through families there, radiating authenticity and integrity, and also responsibility to quite an extent. Now this is this process is going on for last 2 months, Swamiji.
Beautiful. Teach them completion.
It has
That's
now.
all.
Yeah.
Nothing else is required. Just sit with them, counsel them and teach them completion. That will make the whole colony into heaven. My blessings. Let it become Nityananda Puri. Actually, living is only reviving Sanatana Dharma. We are not a number-based religion, understand? We are not a conversion-based, number-based religion. Just live it. You will see, we revive it. Anyhow, I am free from, oh, still one person. Go ahead, go ahead. Aha, this side line is starting. Okay, go ahead. Anyhow, I committed, so I will listen. I will sit and listen.
Nityanandam, the purpose of my life I see in two parts. Before May 2013 IA and after 2013 IA. After 2013 IA. Actually, I will take some other occasion to explain what all I accomplished during this 1 year period. But the purpose of my life after 2013 IA, what I found was that I have to serve the humanity, because serving the humanity is serving the cosmos. Now I realize that you have been serving the humanity, so I want to be part of you and serve the humanity through you.